Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G73. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and tap on Receive at the bottom next to Send on Motorola. Also on Motorola, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Android device. Then select all of those dots from all of those categories. And when you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen ones. Then tap on Send as well. In this Here's Some Tip pop-up, select Got It and pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon on Motorola next to Input key. Then allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key though, you need to tap on Input key section instead and then type all of these numbers from an Android. When you finished, choose Receive, and when I do that, as you can see, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!